Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 7. Welcome back to the class 7. So in the last class we have started with the multiplication of integers. So you have seen the three cases. That is, first one, whenever you multiply the two positive integers you will get a positive integer, and whenever you multiply the positive integer with the negative integer, so you will get a negative integer. And also you have seen the last scenario, that is, whenever you multiply the two negative integers you will get a positive integers. So this is the multiplication of integers you have studied in your previous class, and also you have studied how to find the multiplication of integer, that is a product of integers on the number line. So in this class you are going to study the next concept, that is distributive property of integers, that is distributive property of integer. So distributive property of integers you are going to study, that is distributive, or you can write distributive, you can write as distributive also, distributive, you can write this distributive property of integers. So what does this distributive property of integer says? If a comma b comma c are three integers, if a comma b comma c are three integers, then a into b plus c you can write as a into b plus of a into c. Okay, so this is the first case. One more case, that is a into b minus c, which is equals to a into b minus of a into c. Okay, so these are the cases for distributive property. One more case you can write as, that is c into a plus of b, c into a plus b you can write as a into c plus of, that is c into b, or b into c you can write, or you can write b into c. Next one, fourth case, minus c, or you can write c into a minus of b. So you can write as a into c minus of b into c. Okay, so these four cases you can note down. First one, that is distributive property of integer says, if a comma b comma c are three integers, if a comma b comma c are three integers, then a into b plus c is equals to a into b plus of a into c. So this is one scenario. One more scenario, a into b minus c, which is the second case, a into b minus of a into c. Similarly, a into c minus of c into b, that is plus operation. Similarly, c into a, that is a into c minus of b into c. So these are some concepts, or these are some theory part of distributive property of integers. Now I am going to solve some examples, you will come to know the better one. So all of you note down this and go through this video, that is some examples I am going to solve. I am going to solve distributive property of integer. First example I will choose as minus 42 into, I will get as 1001. Okay, so I'll choose this minus 42 into 1001. I go through this distributive property of integers. Okay, so I'll write this minus 42, I consider this as a, but I need b and c, they are given only a into b. So how to convert this? I will write 1000 in the form of 1000 plus 1. I'll write 1000 plus of 1. Okay, so now see, this is a, this is b, this is c. So this looks of the form minus c into a, that is b, plus of a, or a plus b. So how to convert this in the form of distributive property? Now see, first you multiply minus 42 into 1000 into 1000. Next plus minus 42 into 1. Okay, so this is the distributive property of integers, how I kept. So you can write this as minus 42 into 1000, you can write minus 42,000. The next term minus 42 into 1 you can write as minus 42. Now see, you see in the case 3, that is whenever you are adding the two negative integers, just you have to add and minus sign you have to keep as it is. So see here, whenever you add this one, that is minus 42,000 and 42, so you'll get this as z, that is 24024. So you'll get this as minus 42, you'll get this as minus 42042. Okay, so this is your required answer. Okay, so firstly what you have to do, you have to go through this minus 42 into 1001, minus 42 as it is into 1001, you can write as 1000 plus of 1, that is minus 42 into 1000, minus 42 into 1000, that is a into b, and one more a into c, you can write minus 42 into 1. So just multiply 42 into 1000 is 42,000, plus into minus is minus. Similarly 42 into 1 is 42, again plus into minus is minus. Just whenever I have seen your first video, in the first you go through the first video, I have told here some of the cases, whenever you are adding the two negative integers, you will get the sum you have to add and the minus sign you have to keep as it is. So please note down this problem and go through this video. And one more example I am going to solve on distributive property of integers, that is second one, minus 19 into minus of 68. So one more example, that is minus 19 and minus of 68. So I will write this as minus 20 plus 1, and I one more write into minus of 68. Okay, so I choose a is equals to minus 20, b is equals to 1, and c is equals to minus 68. So I write this as, first one I multiply minus 68 into minus 20, and one more I multiply plus 1 minus 68, that is plus of 1. So I solve this one, minus into minus is plus, so you solve this 68 into 20, so 8 2s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 136. So you can write this as 1360. So when you multiply 68 into 20, you will get as, what you get, 1360, because it ends with 0. So I have done 68 into 2, that is 136, add again 0. So 1360 minus of 68. 68 into 1 is 68, and plus into minus is minus 68. So now 1360 minus of 68. Okay, so 1360 minus of 68, 10 minus 8, which is equals to 2. Similarly one carry here. Similarly 16 minus of 7, which is equals to 9. One carry 2 minus of 1, which is equals to 1. 2 minus of 1, which is equals to minus 3 minus of 1, which is equals to 2, and 1 as it is. So we'll get this as 1292. 1292. So see here, first of all what you have to do, just to have this one minus 19 you convert in the form of minus 20 plus 1. So if this one is minus 19, you split up into in the form of a, b, c. I splitted minus 19 as minus 20 plus 1. Then I multiplied 68 into 20. So 68 into 20, then plus operation as it is 68 into 1. So see here 68 into 20, if I done this, I am getting as product, that is 1360, and minus 68 into 1, that is 68 ones are 68, plus into minus, that is minus into plus, you will get this as minus. So subtract this 1360 minus of 68, you will get as 1292. So all of you please note down these two examples and go through this video. So dear students, now I am going to solve, that is exercise number 1.2. In the exercise number 1.2, I am going to solve 2 questions, and remaining examples I am going to solve in the next video. So see here, find 10 into minus 2 using number line. So first question says, find 10 into minus 2 on the number line. So first one I'll write, that is 10 into minus of 2. So you know that 10 2s are 20, that is, and plus into minus is minus 20. So this you can write in the form of, that is 2 table minus of plus minus 2 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 2. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 5s are 10. This you have to write the 10 times. So that is plus of minus 2 6 1. Next minus 2 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this you have to split in the form of minus 2, and you have to write in the form of number line. So I will draw this, I will take this as 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. Just write the 2 table, minus 10, minus 12, minus 14, minus 16, minus 18, minus 20. Okay. So just you have to just draw on a number line, 0 to minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12, minus 14, minus 16, minus 18, minus 20. Okay. So this is minus 20. So this is the representation of 10 into minus 2 using number line. First 10 into 2, which is equals to minus 20, split up in the form of minus 2 10 times. Then used my 2 table, just using 2 table, just put the minus sign. The numbers which are on the left are negative integers, you already learned. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 2, minus 10, minus 12, minus 14, minus 16, minus 18, minus 20. Okay, so this is the representation of 10 into minus 2 using number line. Okay, so all of you just note down this example. Now one more question I am going to solve from the exercise number 1.2, that is what the question says. So see here, dear students, extend the pattern starting from minus 10 into 9 and find the value of minus 10 into minus 5. So see here what the question says. The question says extend the pattern starting from minus 10 into 9 and find the value of minus 10 into minus 5. So see here, I start with a pattern that is minus 10 into 9. So 10 nines are 90. Minus into plus is minus. You have to extend the pattern up to minus 10 into minus 5. So I go on writing, that is first one I write this. Second one, minus 10 into 8. It is minus of 80. 10 8s are 80 and minus into plus is minus. Third one, you have to extend the pattern. The next is minus 10 into 7, which is equals to minus 70, because 10 7s are 70, minus into plus is minus. Similarly, fourth one is minus 10 into 6, which is equals to minus 60, because 10 6 are 60. Fifth one is minus 10 into 5, which is equals to minus of 50. Okay. Sixth one pattern, that is minus 10 into what it is 4, which is equals to minus of 40. Similarly, seventh one, it is minus 10 into 3, which is equals to minus 30. Similarly, eighth one, minus 10 into 2, which is equals to minus of 20. Similarly, ninth one, minus 10 into 1, which is equals to minus of 10. Similarly, 10th one, minus 10 into 0, which is equals to 0. Now comes to the 11th one, that is minus 10 into minus 1, which is equals to 10, because 10 into 1 is 10, minus into minus is plus. Okay. Similarly, 12th one, they told to find the result of minus 10 into minus 5, and we need to stop. So next is minus 10 into minus 2, it is 10 2s are 20, and minus into minus is plus. Similarly, 13th one, minus 10 into minus 3, which is equals to 30, because minus into minus is plus, and 10 into 3, which is equals to 30. 14th one, it is minus 10 into minus 4, which is equals to 40. So 10 fours are 40. 15th one is last. This is minus 10 into minus 5. The quotient minus 10 into minus 5, which is equals to 50, because 10 5s are 50 and minus into minus is plus. So this is the starting from minus 10 into 9, which is equals to minus 20, and please note down this pattern and stop here up to minus 10 into minus 6, minus 10 into minus 5, which is equals to 50, and minus into minus is plus, 10 5s are 50. So just solve these two examples from exercise, and remaining examples we'll solve in the next video. And please note down the concept of distributive property of integers.